Logic, definition, logic in a sentence, logic pronunciation, logic meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of logic. Logic. Lo-gic. Logic. Logic as a noun means reasoning according to strict principles of validity. Common usages in academic writing: deductive logic, to apply logic, to use logic, to think logically, logical train of thought, logical reasoning. Example sentence, logic, noun. The test was designed to contrast their traditional logic with scientific principles. The common academic writing variations are logical, adjective. Alcohol use impairs your logical reasoning even after one standard drink. And logically, adverb. When preparing for your examination, remember to stay calm and think logically about the questions. Please write a sentence using logic in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of logic, the meaning of logic, and logic example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.